I think is super important with any of these systems. They need to be a habit, right? You need to get into using them all the time because you can set up the perfect
That is
system.
true.
And
Mhm.
if your inputs aren't happening or you're not moving things along, it's not going to do much for you. So, yeah.
Actually, yeah, you need to actually, let's say, put it on the calendar. You need to schedule time to actually work on your system deliberately, because even if you have the best system, if you leave it like that, it's going to pile up with many different things and it's going to be too overwhelming to get back to it and you're going to fall off track. So it's very important to have a system where, for me, it's Notion, but for somebody else might be Trello, Evernote, Asana, it doesn't matter. Choose the tool that works best for you. It must be as frictionless as possible and very easy for you to use. You need to actually enjoy the software because you're much more likely to actually use it in the long run.